Sapphire loves his morning peppers. His red hot chili peppers is his thing. He loves that. And then he goes on over and he starts to eat all of his chop that's mixed with chia seeds and some oatmeal. Mango's enjoying her blueberries. What she got? You like your blueberries? Oh, don't let me scare you away. She's shy this morning, aren't you? Yeah. Sugar found a toy to play with, so she's over here. And Sapphire ate his breakfast and now he's ready to get into trouble. Ginger too. Cookie? 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 Where's Cookie? Where's Cookie, peeps? Where's Cookie? Where's Cookie, peeps? What are you doing, Sapphire? He's on my head. Sapphire, not the he likes to take the rubber bands out of my hair. This is Cookie. Hi. She's so pretty, aren't you, pretty Cookie? Huh? Yeah. Now tell me, looks just like Sapphire, right? Crazy. Look at that. Oh my goodness. This is Lily. Is it Kissy? Lily. Hi, Kissy, Kissy. She's a good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's so pretty. Lily's a pretty girl. Yeah, she's a pretty girl, isn't she? She's a pretty girl. Say hi. Lily's eating. She's learning to eat peppers. Yes, and they're so good for you, huh? That's Ginger and Coco fighting over my head. Good girl, Lily. Good girl. I thought there was a Coco on my head. Yeah, Coco. I can't whistle today at all. Now there's a Ginger on my head and a little Rio right here. Hi. Hi, Rio. Good morning. How are you? And Lily behind me. Hello. Oh, there's Coco up there. Hi, Coco. I'm feeling some things going on. And I think there are two birds. Yes, there are two birds on my head. Ginger, Coco, what are you doing, guys? Little Rio. He's so cute. Coco, you're on my head. Hello, did you come for another? Did you come for another treat? Here. Mr. Yellow, come here. Come here, honey. Come on. He's apprehensive today. I don't know why. Come here. Come on, Mr. Yellow. Come on. Come on. Come get your treat. Come on, Bubba. Mr. Yellow, do you want this? You do. Okay, come on, step up. Good boy. Grab the treat. Here. Mr. Yellow, don't be scared. Come here. Here. You can have it. You can have it. Yes, good boy. Ready? You love that, don't you? Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome, Coco. Good boy, Coco. Good boy. Okay, we're going to do the other one. Get ready. You love these, don't you? I know. It's your happy spot. It's your happy spot. Yes, Ginger. Here